Hi, I'm Jennifer from Danfoss. If you're still flipping through charts or hunting down manuals, stop. RefTools gives you everything in one app, built for HVACR pros who need answers now. Start with the refrigerant slider, instant pressure, temp data for every major refrigerant, always up to date. No charts, no wasted time. Need a compliant alternative? The low-GWP tool helps you find the best option for performance and regulations, fast. Not sure if a valve is energized? Use your phone. The magnetic tool tells you instantly. No need for extra meters. Look up specs, manuals, technical data, and documentation for thousands of Danfoss products, right from the field. Dial in system performance with the TXV Superheat Tuner. Use selection tools for EXVs, solenoids, TXVs, and filter dryers with confidence. Run diagnostics, find replacement parts, and troubleshoot issues on the job. No guesswork, just solutions that work. Find exactly what you need fast. Filter by type, function, or application. It's built for speed. Need help with your search? Click on the closest partner or distributor to find who has the product in stock. RefTools is the essential HVACR toolbox. Whether you're installing, servicing, or troubleshooting, this app cuts down time and keeps you sharp. Download RefTools. It's free, it works, and more than 2 million pros worldwide already use it.